Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to share an important information about the drop here airdrop that we are mining, and also to introduce guys to two new projects that you can start right now. But before I get into today's content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop update, you guys will always be the first to know. Now guys, we've covered this airdrop before, the drop here airdrop, and if you guys can remember, I told you guys that this airdrop was just like Telegram, where we had to make use of our Twitter age, just like the dogs we did last year. Now guys, the recent information about this is that this airdrop is officially launching tomorrow. So guys, for those in my Telegram channel, I've updated them about connecting their Solana wallet, and I've also updated them about also depositing Solana into their wallet in order to claim their airdrop. Now guys, as you guys can see, Mexi is listing this particular airdrop tomorrow by 15 p.m. UTC. That's about 4 p.m. WAT for those of us in Nigeria. So guys, if you did this airdrop, make sure you get Solana into your wallet so you can claim this. The claiming time will also be during the listing time, or most probably after the listing. That is when you'll be able to claim your token. However, we might have some price dumps before then, so you need to act fast. Deposit Solana right now so that you can use it to claim your tokens instantly. Now, at the end of everything, I was able to get just about 11,269 drop tokens. And right now, we don't know if we are getting everything, but I keep hearing rumors that we can have a 90% vesting on all tokens, which I don't really believe now. But however, any other information you need to get on this airdrop regarding everything will be posted in our Telegram channel. So make sure you join our Telegram channel if you are a crypto enthusiast who is into airdrops or spot trading or whichever areas of crypto you are into. Join us and start trading and doing everything with us. Now that is just the information on drop here. It is launching tomorrow, so make sure you deposit Solana into your wallet in order to claim it and also transfer it to any exchange to sell. Though if the option is being provided, you can also just swap it on your DEX into Solana, and then you can take in your Solana and cash it out if you like. Now, apart from this project, I'm going to show you guys two new very easy projects that you can start right now. So let us go on, guys. Now, the first project I'm introducing you guys to is called Part of Dream, and it is a very simple airdrop process. All you have to do is check in daily, do your daily spin, and then you complete all your tasks. And this is the interface of the airdrop right now. The referral link will be in the description box, so please make sure to go through that if you are watching this video and you can get started on this particular project right now. Remember, on this channel we post very easy $0 airdrop opportunities for you, quick updates in which you can make in free cryptocurrencies, and then you can sell them out to USDT and cash them out as fiat. Now you can come here to the booster sections where you can claim your daily bonus, and you can also head over to home where you can also see your daily spin. So all you have to do is just come down here to your daily spin, click on the daily spin, and then you get a certain amount of tokens or points for you to accumulate. So that's the first project, guys. So you have to make sure you come in here, check in every single day, and also keep coming here to accumulate and claim your points. Now, the second project I also want to share to you guys is also another very easy soft to do airdrop. So let's get on with it. Now, the second project we have here is a Monad project, and likewise, this is another very soft to do airdrop. All you have to do is just register through the referral link in the description box, Open it in your MetaMask or your OKX wallet and simply connect your node. You are literally not doing anything else apart from this. So I've connected my node and right now I've earned about 2004 points. So you can also go through other platforms. You can go to the tax section where you can also perform more tax as well. You can perform all these tax. They are social tax. So you can also come back to the dashboard where you can also see your points accumulate, and come here to the referral section where you can copy your affiliate link and share it with others as well. So guys, this is all I have for you guys today to give you an update about the airdrop we've been doing so far. So make sure you get your Solana prepared for the claiming process, and please do take time to claim on time so that by the time you want to sell, the token wouldn't have dumped so much that you won't really be able to make anything from it. So the second one is to introduce you guys to this new project, and I would like you guys to get started on this right now. There is no information about the TGE or airdrop for now, so we just have to keep farming them until we get something out of them. So do it to also join our Telegram channel where we share very easy to do daily airdrop updates and signals as well, and to join our trading section where we drop spot signals and future signals as well. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.